Hey loves, it's your girl Chef Joya and happy Juneteenth. I am going to show you how I make my southern caramel cake. I'm going to start off by whisking my sugar and vegan butter until it's absolutely smooth. Then I'm going to go ahead and blend in my egg replacement, and for this I'm going to be using unsweetened applesauce and cornstarch. Next I'm going to make my vegan buttermilk with some oat milk and apple cider vinegar. Then I'm going to blend in some self-rising flour and my vegan buttermilk until it's well incorporated. Next I'm going to go ahead and add in some vanilla, and then I'm going to get my 2 pans ready. You want to use 9-inch baking pans, and then I'm going to grease that with some vegan butter and pour my mix, put it in the oven on 350 degrees for about 25 to 30 minutes. Next we're going to work on our caramel frosting, and that's some vegan butter and some brown sugar, a little bit more buttermilk. We're going to bring that up to a boil, remove it from the heat, and add in our salt, confectioner sugar, and vanilla. Now you can adjust how much confectioner sugar that you like, just depending on how thick you like your frosting. Once we remove our cakes from the oven, you want to make sure you test it with a toothpick so it can come out clean. That's how you know when it's done. And allow it to cool for about 15 minutes before frosting. And you want to make sure you put some frosting in between the 2 layers. Now you can make this a 4-layer cake, just double the recipe for the cake mix. And when I tell you, baby, this is absolutely going to be one of your favorite caramel cakes. I can't wait for you all to try it out. And be sure to be following Compare Foods and Chef Joy for more vegan on a budget recipes.